Most of the information you see about software quality assurance seems to equate it with software testing. Why is this wrong? Greetings, I'm Dr. Will, and welcome to Dr. Will's Software Quality Channel, where we help raise the quality of software being built today. Dr. Edsger Dijkstra, one of the luminaries in the firmament of computer science, once said, "Program testing can be used to show the presence of bugs, but never to show their absence." If you've already subscribed to this channel, thank you. If you'd like more content like this, then I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new content becomes available. The proper role of testing in the software development lifecycle is to validate the quality of the process being used to produce the software. Testing as a component of the software quality process follows its own development process as well, in parallel and coordinated with the development of the software that's going to be tested. That's how the V model described in an earlier video functions to marry the test that's being developed with the part of the process that is developing that bit of software. This happens irrespective of the software development lifecycle process that's being employed. Tests are planned and designed in order to provide coverage of the system, not only the user behavior obvious part of the system, but also code coverage, that is, covering all of the important decision points within the code. But that's not all there is. What the system is supposed to do, usually called the software requirements or the system requirements, is established by the customer, whether it's an internal or external customer, and that set of requirements is not itself testable. It begins life as a more or less vague notion in the mind of the customer. Now, any appreciably complex system behavior has got to be built by more than one person, which means what the system is supposed to do needs to be written down. The activities need to be coordinated. Now, there's no way to test a statement of requirements. The only way to assure the quality, which is the correctness and completeness of the requirements, is to write them down and review them with the user so that you have a meeting of minds as to what the system is supposed to do when it's finally built. So from a 30,000-foot view of life, the universe, and everything in a software project, almost nothing in the early stages of a project are testable. The tests themselves are not testable. How do you know that the test that you're planning and designing actually tests the part of the system it's supposed to? How do you validate that it does? How do you know that your test is not actually testing some other part of the system or some odd collection of data within the system rather than what you think you're testing? What constitutes the correct set of preconditions for a test? Those are what must be true before the test can be executed. How do you validate any of that? Now, none of this is meant to disparage software testing. It's an important part of the software development and software quality process. The point is that testing is not all there is to software quality. I can hear your unasked question, how much does all that cost? And how can we possibly afford that? But I'll get to that in a later segment. This channel is dedicated to quality, especially software quality. So if you'd like more content like this, then please subscribe and hit the bell for notification when new content becomes available. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will get back to them in the near future. That's it for me for you for now. I hope you have a great day and a great week ahead. Be careful out there. I'll be seeing you. Bye.